I'm I work as a project developer for the Coral project. So this is the first marine project of Pur Projet, and we are developing it in Indonesia, in Bali. So as on most islands, people are really relying on the marine ecosystems for fishing, for also coastal protection. So if you have coral reefs, they are breaking up the wave energy. So in case of tsunamis or big storm events, corals are pretty much the trees of the ocean. I mean, in terms of just diversity, people already call them the rainforest or the sea, because there was an incredible amount of not only fish, but sponges and snails and other organisms of wide ranges. All over the world, the corals are disappearing due to several factors, such as, well, the obvious one is climate change, but also pollution, destructive fishing, and Indonesia in particular, the destructive fishing has been a big problem. So people have been using dynamite to fish and cyanide, which is a poison, to protect the fish alive. But at the end of the day, it completely leaves the reefs destroyed with nothing alive anymore. So what we got to do, we're going to build an artificial reef. So these are man-made structures made out of metal and actually could be any other material really. And we're going to put them in the water and transplant small coral fragments on it to help the natural regeneration. And we will work directly with a local organization called Master. This is a community project, so they will completely in charge. They will receive all the training and the skills, the equipment and the infrastructure necessary to sustain and this activity and to restore their natural habitat and manage their resources. It really makes sense to participate in this project. I know corals are quite far away from people's minds, and especially like if you're sitting in an office, it's not really something you see every day. So, but it's really important because corals are disappearing rapidly, and we are losing huge amounts of biodiversity. So yeah, there is a direct implication, and there really is the need to support this project to be able to grow it in the future.